Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix CarPlay not working on iPhone 14 Pro Max. So before starting the video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon. So to fix this issue, first of all open settings. Now in settings, scroll down and here click on general. Now in general, click on software update. And from here check if your iPhone is updated to latest iOS version or not. So if your iPhone is not updated to latest iOS version, then update your iPhone, and after updating restart your iPhone. So to restart, press the power button and volume down button at the same time, and then swipe this icon to right side to power off your iPhone. And after that restart your iPhone, and after restarting, if the CarPlay is still not working, then open settings again, scroll down and here again click on general, and now click on CarPlay, and from here check if the CarPlay is turned on or not. So if the CarPlay is turned on and still not connecting with your car, then try connecting your CarPlay with another car to check if the problem is with your mobile CarPlay or your car audio system. So after that, if it doesn't fix your problem, then open settings again and click on general, scroll down to the end, and now click on transfer or reset iPhone. Now here click on reset and then click on reset all settings. Now enter your lock screen passcode and then enter your screen time passcode, and then again click on reset all settings to confirm. So when you click on reset all settings, it will reset all your mobile settings, but it will not delete any data from your iPhone. So I hope it will fix your problem. Thanks for watching the video.